In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add JavaScript to Wix. By the end, you'll know exactly where to put your code so it runs cleanly on your site without digging through menus or guessing what to click. Before we begin, keep in mind that the custom code feature is available only on upgraded plans. If you're on a free plan, you'll need to upgrade to unlock this option. Start on your Wix dashboard for the site you want to edit. From here, open Settings. This is your central hub for site-level controls, so it's the right place to manage anything that affects your entire site, including custom scripts. Inside Settings, look for the section labeled Advanced. If you're using Wix Studio, this area may be called Development and Integrations. Open that section, then choose Custom Code. This is where Wix lets you manage snippets of code that can be loaded across your pages without editing each page individually. Click the button labeled Add Custom Code. A panel will open with a text box where you can paste your JavaScript. Bring over the exact snippet you want to use and paste it into the box. You can add inline JavaScript or reference a third-party script. Keep your snippet focused on what you actually need to run. Simpler code is easier to maintain, and it reduces the risk of conflicts with your existing site elements. If your code depends on a library or a service, be sure that library is loaded by your snippet or that it's already available on your site. Give your code a clear, recognizable name. Think of this like labeling a breaker in a fuse box. A descriptive name, such as Analytics Tracking or Chat Widget Loader, makes it easy to find and manage later, especially if you add more snippets over time. A few tips as you proceed. Use only trusted code from reliable sources, since custom scripts can impact performance and security. If you're testing something new, keep a copy of your original snippet in a safe place so you can roll back quickly. After adding your code, preview your site and open your browser's developer console to check for errors. If something isn't working, verify your plan includes custom code and confirm there are no typos or missing dependencies in your snippet. That's all there is to it. You've navigated to Settings, opened custom code, added your snippet, and named it clearly. With these steps, you can confidently enhance your Wix site with JavaScript while keeping everything organized and easy to manage.